In today's video, I will teach you how to make geometric shapes in Gimp. Let's get started. There are 3 easy ways to draw geometric shapes in Gimp. The first one is by using the selection tools. This tool is very easy to use. However, the shape options are limited to only square and oval. To use this tool, go to the toolbar, select the tool, or simply press the shortcut key R for rectangle select tool, and E for the ellipse select tool. Now, make a new transparent layer by clicking the New Layer option. Rename your new layer, and select Fill with Transparency, then click OK. With the transparent layer selected, make the shape that you want on the canvas. Once you see the shape highlighted, you can now go to the toolbar and use the Bucket Fill tool to fill the selection with the color or the pattern that you want. Make sure to enable the Fill Hole Selection option if you want to fill the entire shape. If you want to add only a stroke to your shape, go to the menu bar, Edit, and select Stroke Selection. Now, simply adjust each parameter based on your preferences. The second way is by simply drawing one yourself. To draw a straight line, simply go to the toolbar and select the Paintbrush tool, or simply press P on your keyboard for a quick tool switch. Now, change the brush style to the round brush option. Change the size according to the resolution of your canvas and based on how thick you would like your line to be. Set the angle to 0, spacing all the way down to 1, and adjust each parameter based on your preferences. Now click the area where you would like to start. Now hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and a line connecting your starting point and where you're hovering your cursor over will appear. Now, simply click on the area where you would like the other end of the line to be placed. And repeat the same steps to achieve the shape that you want. However, there is an option to render shapes in Gimp. Simply go to the menu bar, Filters, Render, and select Gfig. In the Gfig panel, you will see the different shapes that you can render and customize at the top panel. At the right side of the panel, you will see all the configurations that you can make for each shape. So just have fun crafting your own geometric shapes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.